It's Eric from Black Aces. We want to display today our Pro Series 5 retrofit kit for the Mossberg 500, 590, and Maverick 88. This retrofit kit uses the standard Mossberg barrel, Mossberg tube, Mossberg pump, Mossberg trigger group, and any stock that you choose that'll fit the Mossberg or Maverick 88. What we do is we replace the receiver. We supply a new bolt, new firing pin, new slide, new latch assembly that we pre-install from the factory. MSRP about $4.99, and looking to ship within about 4 to 5 weeks. Now we can run some rounds to it. Guns in safe, breeches open. Install Saiga 12 magazine, locked in, good to go, safety on, chambering. Now let's rock and roll. The beauty of the system, once you're out in your magazine, have another magazine ready to go. Now you're ready to rock and roll just that quick. Safety on, loading up. Safety off. Clean. Just that quick.